right, team, we're right on top of it. Scan the structural weaknesses.
Affirmative.
Checking
Reach
systems.
point is here on the lower deck.
Copy that. Moving us closer.
Scan complete on section 3. Readings look stable. Initiating weld on 3. Hull breach identified. Measuring section alpha. Recording data confirm. Measuring section alpha. Scanning complete. Reading stable.
Copy that. Moving on to section
Readings are
beta.
unstable. Affirmative. Look at this stress fracture. Deploying the scanner. Be careful, the structure is compromised. Initiating scan sequence. Targeting the main hull structure.
Engaging drone support.
Readings are fluctuating around the cargo hold.
Complete. 17 meters wide, 4.5 high. Copy that. Proceed to mark.
The hull integrity is good. Structural reinforcements will be needed on the aft. Adjusting the schematics.
Verified.
Secure
We're
the
ready.
bracket.
Beam is in position.
Check the seal. Roger that.
All right, team, secure your positions. We're ready to make the cut. Copy that. Lights are focused. Engage. Starting the cut now. All clear on the main anchor. Confirming structural integrity
Light
now.
steady.
Got it. Apply the sealant.
Roger. Pressure's holding.
Next one's smaller. I'll take it.
All right, first plate's secure.
Good. Move to the next section.
Copy that. All right, team. According to the blueprint, the starboard hull needs immediate reinforcement here.
Understood, leader.
Robot, initiate diagnostic scan of this section.
Scanning initiated.
All right,
Results
engaging
incoming.
the brush.
Visibility is good.
Starting on this algae patch. Looks like it's working well. All right, start the air.
Engaging lift now. Check the tension on the stern cables.
Verified. Steady
Secure the
inflation.
lines tight.
Holding steady.
ROV, check the lower hull. Acknowledge. Move to position 2.
Keep these secure. We'll finish the lower ones first. Check the seal on this section.
Secure the bracket, then check the lumens. Looks good. Proceeding with installation.
Steady. This railing is delicate. Copy that, leader. Monitoring.
All right, let's get the seal checked.
Locking it in now.
Looks perfect. Excellent work,
Footing.
team.
Looks good in here.
How the light hits the water over there. It's incredible.
And that sailboat looks tiny from up here.
Truly a spectacular view.
Well, welcome everyone. Let the celebration begin. What a magical night. I've never danced in a place like this.
Ambitious restoration project ever conceived.
It's absolutely breathtaking. Cheers.